Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a new drive from your C drive in a few simple steps. So the first thing we are going to be doing is click on the Windows icon or the start button, then search for disk partition. So click on the create and format hard disk partitions. So after that, this window will pop up and you can see over here we have disk 0, and then over here we have our C drive. So we are going to be creating a different partition from this C drive. So right click on this and select shrink volume. So after you do that, it's going to be calculating the available storage or space on your C drive. So after that, this window will pop up, right? So you can see over here we have total size before shrink in megabytes. We have 424881. Then size of available shrink space in megabytes, we have 4511. This is the size we can shrink from our C drive. So I'm going to be clicking on shrink. Okay, so now you can see on my disk management that we have an unallocated partition, which is 4.41 gigabytes. So what you do is right click on this and then click on new simple volume. So this window will pop up. Where you just click on next, then click on next again. Then here you're going to be assigning a drive letter. So C is already occupied. You can see over here we don't have C, we have A, B, D, E. So I'm going to be clicking on D. You can choose E, whatever you want, but I'm clicking on D. Just click on next, and then finish. So now you can see we have a new volume D. So over here you can see our drive has been created, our D drive has been created over here. So you can just go ahead and close this, and then on this drive you can copy whatever you want to copy into your drive. You can use this for a storage space or whatever. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.